Welcome to official SL TV channel. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and share my video and press the red button. Please help me to share my video.
Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, depending the time and who side dey we go download this audio. This na Iron J, the voice of the commoner and the voice of the vulnerable, with the program analysis on current issues. As today, Wednesday, marks the 2nd April 2025, we get one proverb na yaso today wey say, don't find fault with others when you cannot live a blameless life. Again, don't find fault with others when you cannot live a blameless life. This na a case for EBK talking about ingratitude. Yeah? Well, we proverb na yaso today, the tell we say, when you self know say you get issues them with people them, left for go defend people and problem. Because you self get problem there. You understand? You know say you you get fault them, you know 100%. Left for go defend other people and fault. Creoman and can put her in other form say, if they keep in your box, then in the count with in company in Lily Nado. You understand? Now this proverb, I mean, fumble them today, as we discuss. We get two topic now, so where I want for deliberate on. You understand? We number one, Iron J dwell into Ernest Baikoroma's statement of Dr. Samuel Kamara not showing gratitude for selecting him as flag bearer in 2018, forgetting that he is the most ungrateful politician, even to Dr. Samuel Kamara. With topic 2 now, as lead person of ECOWAS elections observation mission to other countries, just bring the opposition on the table, then everything is done, says EBK. Now that in audio, I just the try for take half. Yeah? It's like if you look at we proverb na, or the main thing na so, all the talk of it all centered on ingratitude or ungratefulness, lack of capacity or the willingness for show gratefulness to the good thing that has been done for you. Yeah. But before we dey go far, I so believe say mortal man, when it comes to matter of such nature, you get for go dey take your time for the talk little. If they talk at all, choose for say just small and left small. Because you self like I say, or like we proverb tell we sunaya today, you self get problem. You understand? And when you know say you get problem, then why you defend other people and problem? Yeah? So if you talk half, left half. Yeah?
You get your problem, you say get your own side. Talk off, left off. Talk off, left off. System of talk off, left off. You get your problem, you say get your own side. This not the door, not the man with a one try. Straight up talks, me not to man with a pack line. The one point shots make man a lost focus. The problem with the artists that some of we bogus, we not get done door. We want bongo, bump post life, black crowd like condo. We want pull chest by the DJ like Osombo. As the lock game clean 2-6 don't go. The the show. After the promotion, now back with a get them so. And so we get some of them bad DJ them. Each artist money now the play, blame the equal them. Turn around back, use real like a DJ them. Make a talk as back, cause we say get for pay them. So talk and flip flop. You're wrong side, talk and flip flop. Talk and flip flop. Sister now for talk and flip flop. You get your problem, you still get your wrong side. I wonder.
Yeah, talk half, left half. You understand? This na him we brother, the hip hop godfather na Salone. YOK7, Yoke the Don, the sniper. Na in Sambawi na this will program. You get your problem, himself must get in your wrong side. So when you dey talk half, left half. Yeah? Now we go into the message proper. Anesi Samuel Kamara, he no show gratitude. He select am single-handedly in 2018. And Samuel Kamara na the less prepared candidate. Then I saw EBKC. Well, to me, when you look at this situation, Anes was correct. Now he select Dr. Samuel Kamara at that very time. Well, in the area of being less prepared, I no want for go much into that. Because I very no say like appointments no more na government. Before you dey appoint somebody, say man can be minister of agriculture, can be minister of information, you must don inform that person there and the person willing for take up the job. And that time then you when they make the appointment, even the person sometimes he go even dey in jubilation now with his family saying, then they can make minister of this. Or sometimes he go just decide for keep quiet on in your very self. Sometimes now only in woman, or he even decide for keep to himself until he see and pray, put into prayer for let it become reality. Because some people and they afraid the embarrassment for don't go tell 1, 2, 3 people them na in family or in woman, then it no happen. So that embarrassment today, some people they not collect, and I make most often they can just keep quiet and let it be. You understand? So I should say that must have been done before Samuel Kamara being selected by Ernest Bai Koroma, being used by God, because God now used in this Ernest Bai Koroma for select Dr. Samuel Kamara. You understand? And I should say he must info the man, and the man tell him say yes, he's willing and he's prepared for that. So for let him come, he can't talk say the man he unprepared or the less prepared. I not believe that one day based on the just small analysis we I make. Yeah. And now come to think of it. Ernest Koroma, you give somebody food, you cook for somebody, you don't dish for them. Then the person don't come for can eat, he take the plate back in his hand. With all the angry way the person cry for, where he take, he go bye fine, he don't can cook for them. Then as the person don't go sit down at the dining table for can eat, then you tell her, he take the rest, he go give other person. You understand? So you tell the person say, the next seminar wey dem dey want for it, may all man go fair money, go bye, make dem can cook. You understand? You will not get meaning, you not get for it. And that person they don't do short, he don't go now, he don't take great care. He don't bye, he don't come with. And even when you don't come bye back now, just because you dey in control with the one way they cook, you dey in touch with the cook, you tell am back say make you no dish for am. I think this na the height. This na the height of wickedness. This na the height of bad politician. This na the height, na the highest peak of ingratitude. Because if you look Dr. Ernest Bai Koroma, in most of the meetings them, wey in dey hold with im own cabinet ministers and other key governmental officials, then plus other stakeholders dem and other decision influencing people dem, e can tell dem say if e succeed like how we take am say e succeed so na salone, e say na somebody dey. E say if e dey succeed like how e succeed so na salone, e say na somebody na im dey behind that, and whether na this person, e say na Dr. Samuel Kamara, and that the decision wey e make for select am na the right one because e want somebody of that kind nature for can ride on im legacy for let im legacy no go be destroyed by somebody wey no developmentally oriented. We dey get am clear? And if Ernest Bai Koroma don talk then statement dem dey, people dem, the statement dem don stick na people dem minds dem. So we own minds dem, we wey get a last memory, yeah, or last long memory. Now, if im at the same time e can't do this, we just take am say na payback time. That select wey e select am. Just like how we been dey talk say okay wetin APC don do for una, this na payback time, like how we brother Reggae Spice e been do am for we. Salone people this na payback time, this na payback time, you know, something like that. So it's like na payback time for Ernest Bai Koroma to Dr. Samuel Kamara, cause e don hold for am family, e don help am for not destroy the economy, e don help am even when the Ebola hits, e help for manage, e introduce a system wey im dey harness dwell into, tell am say the power wetin we dey do, make we declare austerity so that we reduce the spending, and even most of your minister dem for cut down their own expenditure. Introduce that one day and it works. So all this na the brain of God through Dr. Samuel Kamara. So if that is done, then he can select am. It's not just a mere selection, but it's more of payback time. So if he don't pay back time the man, then the man don't go into that election. Like I tell una, you don't cook for the person don't cry for angry, cook for her. Then the person don't go sit down for it, then you go take the base, you go get other person we not cook for, and we not even, you know, just imagine the pain force in the first place, a part of the angry now way they go through now, but the bonnet now. Yeah. Samuel don't go into that election, you don't win them, and let's take the election, you go get other person. We don't see we the small parable apple na ya, eh? The one way he not cook for. You don't Samuel don't talk he angry. He say they cook for her. He don't cook everything. And the time Samuel sitting down at dining room for can eat, he take that rest, they go get other person. He say because that other person they need them. You understand? Fine. So the select, when we watch now, more make logical conclusion now. The select wey in select am, he don't take am because he select this man for let him be president, and the man don't win for be president. He don't take back the work wey you do. He don't take it. I mean, he don't take you pay. You understand? He don't take you pay. It just fever. You take money, you give somebody, and this person say, hey, now how much money you give me? So you say, now this I give. Hey, thank you. Thank you. Hey, may God bless you. You see what I mean? Then that person there, he can't work for you. He can work back almost all day way equivalent to that money, or even more than that money where you give. So you don't take you pay. You don't take the money where you give. And make we in Islam, when they do good, not do good for can send somebody. na bait dey bait for let e send am. If that is so, meaning no too good e dey do am, na the service e dey pay for. When e do good, no run after e goodness wey e don do to person. E don do am good, some e dey say if na like dem bobo dem wey e send am, na if the bobo no go dey, e dey talk say I see am dem bobo there, you see dem bobo there, na how so e bin siddon, e angry so I take food I can't get I don eat. Come on send omo why send am, e don talk everything. My brother or my sister, that one dey no to goodness, meaning na service na you want for let the bobo do for you. Simple for let the bobo render to you. Yeah, and this na exactly na im Ernest Bai Koroma do na ya. He take the man, he put am at the helm of affairs, that na the leadership, the high collar, the flag bearer position. Wetin some people they no dey understand. They say when Ernest been there, na him so. No, Ernest in your own time, he was the chairman and leader. And even to 2018, he just give Samuel Kamara the flag bearership. He still hold the chairman and leadership. Now he make all the decision. You understand? So he take the party in winning, and Samuel Kamara in victory, he go give Madabio. So meaning the appoint where he appoint him, he don't take him. Now what he say next? What we see na ya. What he Ernest say next? Now he say what he do, he no go do again. So 2023, all man they go na the ballot box. And I didn't tell Dr. Samuel Kamara for let Dr. Samuel Kamara go out after the election. Fine. You know what he make Ernest do so? In take him say Dr. Samuel Kamara no go able win the election, and people they no like him. And besides, he want for let Dr. Samuel Kamara go so that in popularity no go continue. He want no more, na him dey continue for fame, na him for continue for leak in boots. And Dr. Samuel Kamara bin see this, na him say no, I know they go no side. When begging happens on side, Dr. Samuel Kamara dey go there. When important events happens on side, Dr. Samuel Kamara dey go there. So the love of farm don't stick na people in hearts and the grassroots Sierra Leone and the hearts, to the extent that even way in the EBK can introduce in your own dabaru trick them using other bobo there, say this term na election, and that they get for make. You don't see Dr. Samuel Kamara don't popular. What in try for do for let it get back all that case, because then one manipulate the thing, and the kind force with them in the see, then see say, oh, this if we no get na problem. And now look, he want fit the man through legality, and when they go into legality, then you know Ebola, because the man no get fault. The money where the accuser, the first accuser of I collar, this Sarah Rutile, of selling 30% shares, when Sarah Rutile not even get 30% shares. So the man just ask the question, how you go sell self something where you not get? It's not possible. Yeah, how you go sell? You get 10 concubines, then somebody accuse you, or let's say the family they don't go produce, una don't go harvest. Now one back concubine, now una go harvest. Then can't lay the one back concubine. Then later, just because other member of the family, they don't pay you before, he hate you, he say he can't accuse you, say, and that man he don't sell 3 bags concubine. We even when they go harvest, now just one bag concubine in the harvest. So it's not possible. I know that same make day. You see, the even Sarah Rutile not get 30% shares. So someone say, but how can I sell what the company do not have? It's not possible. And commode can chance rebuilding case panel. When Ernest Bai Koroma himself he did na salon as former president, we employ Dr. Samuel Kamara, and that Dr. Samuel Kamara write the project, and the money come. That time the way the money even they come, Dr. Samuel Kamara not even they again at that office, and that even in the Ernest not even they again at power. The money come 2019, and Dr. Samuel Kamara been on left office since 2017. You understand? Where they appoint as flag bearer. Now, if this same man dem go say im na im eat that chance rebuilding money wey the money come 2019. 2018 government don change, even APC no dey na power, even in the Anes wey appoint the man no dey na power again. So Anes for let Kami make a statement say, this man, but the thing very interesting, how una dey go accuse somebody wey be say even that time wey the money come, e no dey again. Even with party self wey employer, e no dey again na power. How? E not possible. Anes keep quiet. E continue with the Dabaru trick. So e take am say that na one way wey dem go able do for down Samoa. To the extent wey dem no able, wetin do? Use the police. All wetin been dey happen so na in bed with Anes by Kuroma and Madabio. Use the police say any somebody wey wan stand for flag bearer, e forget police clearance. When did that start to happen in Sierra Leone? E no ever happen. E no ever happen. In the Anes, the time wey wan be flag bearer, dem no tell am for go take police clearance o. Yeah, for both of the time. Say 3 term for flag bearer, 2002 flag bearer, 2007 flag bearer, 2012 flag bearer. Wey by 2012, he get a lot of cases surrounding him. Yes, including money laundering cases. You understand? And this man, they no tell am for, he no put law for making them go take police clearance. When it has become a time for Samoa, because you don't see Samoa don't win the grassroots. That wetin been think say, if you know select again, you know do selection again for Samoa, Samoa not go able win. The thing don't pass there. So they felt all kind of way for let the man not succeed. This now the hypocrite, the ingratitude. So if I can ask now, would I if I can put it this way, would I show ingratitude? Would I show ungratefulness to in company? Who, if not betray, who betray who? Who is ungrateful to who? That man they lay in life, he work for you, he guide you the best way, even to the extent where Richard Conte, he go forge your signature, he alarm am, we make you know, for just help for keep you repetition. This same person also, you treat am that way, the man contest election, take am, and he give other person in victory. Whose kind of ingratitude like that one day? Whose kind of ungratefulness way pass that one day? Whose kind pain wey they put on somebody way pass that one day? You understand? And that man they say, okay, no problem. Since now you select me, he left her. You understand? Since now you select me, left her. I just by take pause, you care and go some side. You now take I care and go there. And where goodness guy he sees them. And the person will say, okay, no problem. And thing you come with me, you go get the pain, but you go just the thing they stick in your mind, say, okay, this because now you come with me and I make so. Even though you're not correct, sometimes the person, if now other person, he settle lala, you know they agree because now he getting goodness. But other person go say, okay, he make opportunity because now he come with me. My left for me, I go prepare myself and I come. And I saw Dr. Samuel Kama do. He say, okay, 2023, until they don't say that no selection, me go prepare myself now and get me flag bearer for myself. And then I would think Samuel Kama do. In getting flag bearer, he work for in flag bearer, he go all out, he win people their hearts, he win flag bearership now the position and leadership. Then still this man still want for control the man. And because the man are responsible somebody in wanting autonomous power, he don't go to the extent where the man don't say, oh no, push don't come and shop now. This are not for tolerator anymore. He don't continue. Watch what happen. Watch what happen. Anes Koroma, the flag bearer, where in come with 2002, not to income with 2007. Oh. You understand? Fine. Watch in even most of them, the flag bearer where Pakaba come with 1996, not to in come with 2002. Change your flag bearer. I mean, running mate. Anes Koroma, he can't use this man, Pasamua, Cherikoko pass Samoa because na him dey do in dirty game. First, the man dey don go 2018. 2020 tigi, after wey dis man don do a lot of sales, a lot of bad laws na parliament, e don involve in so many crimes dem, wetin happen? E put am back say the man na im Samoa Akama for appoint, and Samoa Akama e been left with no option just for show gratitude and respect to am, honour am, e take am back. I think dis na the highest peak of greatness, gratefulness. When we dey say somebody e grateful, dis na the highest peak of am. E don show how e grateful to the highest point. For try for expose im the doctor Ernest Bai Koroma say na im no grateful, but im e grateful. You understand? So if dis man don fight for make now, then the man don go into dis election back, e don win am. Dis im running mate wey im get, e no gree for campaign. You understand? And when dem don win election, e tell dis im running mate wey im give am say make the man no sign tripartite. E say make the man no sign tripartite. Any document so far wey dem give dis guy, e no dey sign am. From the get go, e no gree for sign any document, Cherikoko. Dis na Ernest Bai Koroma na im dey use am. Dis audio na im dey tell una now say all wetin been dey happen to Ernest Bai Koroma dey do am. E been dey use other people dem back for call other people dem. Dey use Abdul Kagbo, yes. Dat fool carry head of opposition na parliament. Im sef been dey call other people dem. Say e go call somebody wey the secret comot. I think na there e don left small. But I so believe say sometimes e dey do am but e don limit. You understand? Go call Yayo. You see, na im Ernest do so. E left for dey call people and say e don call somebody wey God say no, enough is enough. Enough is enough. And even that, me no believe say na leak that audio dey illegal. Because looking at the audio, I'm not sure say that Mr. MS Bangura na im go leak am. Because we dey na dem forum there, na im own people dem, na dem dey share am. Even some of who side we dey, wey na tigi APC group dem, we see people dem wey dey agenda 2028, na dem first post am dey. Dem dey talk na say una see how Dr. una see Osamu, e dey how you call am, Osamu dey mislead im people dem. Osamu e wicked. Osamu better him tell im people dem the truth. Una see how Ernest don can talk the truth now. E don tell am say dey continue for full people dem. Na from there o, not knowing say the audio itself is indicting. E indicting both home and abroad. E indictful to ECOWAS because e don expose ECOWAS say, like na we second topic now. E say ECOWAS wey dem dey send na dem just dey tell am say bring the opposition at the table. So everything don done. Na that day. So like not to democracy, this man dey wait himself. Not to democracy the man stand for, not to democracy ECOWAS stand for. Then e don even in that bio back na salon say that go wey go, not to medical care and go. Na take dem can take am wey we all know the loss of the country. Treason are the highest case wey no get any bail. Why Mother Bio left her? You understand? Because you don't tell we say he no well, so then for go, you know, they not been for left her. Then me for just take doctor, he can't treat himself, then treat him. Or then they care and go na hospital and treat her, then come with her back. Then I saw the law say, but left her and go ender, and now they talk say, he no to medical care and go. Now because of security, like nothing no happen. You know, when a treason, they no accuse her of. You understand? It sets the thing for make them kill Dr. Samoa Akama, for make them kill other people them, then kill in own security the way them in the outside and they tie. Say the election Mother Bio for continue. Then kill them security and for making destroy evidence. And Eskoroma na do am. Kill Evangelist Samson for make Mother Bio no able get am for ask am so many questions that we go able explain. Yes, you understand? Second point na ya, Anesi, it just bring am calm na table. Remi, I wan look at am in this other way. If Ernest Bai Koroma na a good daddy na family, we all know wetin can happen. If na good parent, you na good parent, e dey try for grow your pikin up, wey e get that wetin we call security love for am. You understand? E dey try for protect am from whatsoever thing wey get for harm am. Sometimes, most say e give the pikin bread, e dey pan eat am, and the bread don go for don. Sometimes outside e go for don, na peace. Somebody don peace dey. Or sometimes outside for don, more say una bin dey pan play with something wey harmful, chemical wey hazardous or harmful to life or to health. The thing don for don dey. The pikin wetin im dey see, e go just take am say im food dey there and that e dey go take am eat am. You wey get the sense, you know say if you go dey go take am, the pikin dey get health problem wey dey even lead am to death. Na you dey protect am, na you dey tell am say nothing, irrespective of the pikin wey like the food wey you wan go take. But once you know say that pikin dey taking that food and eat am, e risky for im health or for im life, e no dey accept. Dey say no take am again, no take am again. Oh, no go there, no go there. One say na fire. Something for don near the fire, and e take am say if the pikin go there, there is possibility if breeze bang, the fire dey go sip bobo. He go, no go there, no go there, na fire. So you get them protective method in there for you pikin or for somebody wey dey grow up. Not to so. Now, if unless e bin dey do this thing in genuine way, e bin want Samuel Kamara for let be president, e stand for electoral justice, not to then tie this school for take this election, then give to Madabi, not to them. He wants Samuel Kamara for be president. When he know na say this na the secret, why not be for tell Samuel say no go there, no go sign no. Yes, no go sign no. We see go sign this, everything done. Why you not tell us so? Why? This now, I don't know if una dey see the points wey me dey try for bring. Why you not tell us so? Say no go there. This now we trick wey we dey do. Me self don dey part of this. We see we don't do so, we don't do so. We bring you na table, bring you so, everything done. Why you not been blank? You not tell us so? You understand? But because e not genuine, and Dr. Samuel Kamara, wetin in dey see, they don't take power na in 2018. For can't take all that power back na in this 2023. It's not possible. And by God, online power, it's not possible. Now, peace, na in not get for the no more na salon, but it's not possible. We get for tell people then through there. Salon don't gonna be well if this justice is not made, it's not given to Samuel Kamara. We deserve him. Yeah, we know the wish bad, but that is just the sacrosanct fact. We need for go they make am clear. May begin the resonate now on our minds them. Yeah, fine. Now what do they say? If EBK no say this is the deal, why he allow Samuel? If he want Samuel for succeed, why he no guidance in so and so and so? But let me tell you, these are just bring am in case we talk and we say talk for talk's sake. Or okay, for the point for dwell into waiting EBK say. If that is true and he gets a genuine heart for me, Kamara, he be president, now this will be expected for don't do. But come to think of it, fellow Sierra Leonean, wetin EBK dey try for talk so na lie. Wetin he don't do, na he don't do the dabaru trick. He don't make sure say the election all in bobo then sell am. They sell the RRF form there. And that for make the Samuel Kamara go sign tripartite or peace agreement with international community for involve, and then see and say he go be exposed. And you know one for let Samuel do am. Now he make he can't talk and so someone would that tell someone come out for go sign tripartite. He even go sign hey gentleman so and I get respect for me again. Because if someone been tell us if he been for tell us he not go sign and I say for don't left. Before reaching at this stage they talk about electoral justice. Everything before done. And someone knowingly say telling this guy, the guy na damn too hypocrite mortal man, damn too ungrateful, damn too wretched fellow. You understand? They not tell him. And not anyone who even including the chairman. Yes, they not tell him. So when they don't go science and everything, he had to wham. Yes, he say from that point, I know Mother Bill gonna do something bad as against me. How you go then they go sign document, he say then go do you bad. What you do? Now what you rob? Because they say you will smell you and you know what you play with. Now what you don't play with? What you do, Mother Bill? Now what you do? This is the other question then now we will ask. Like our brother asked and same yesterday, Chairman APC Maleka, what Ernest don't do now when they say then just go sign documents. Then just go sign documents. Wetin concern you about documents? Then say they want the election wey dem thief, they want am back. Then go sign that document there. You say Mother Bill dey do you bad. For wetin? Now wetin you don sign with am? Wey Mother Bill dey can't do you bad. So this all they tell you say Ernest na him sell. So because when you don't sell, then Mother Bill dey take and say na him use the bobo dem back for go sign for make them can investigate the elections. And Mother Bill, that stage wey dem in dey so, he no get option na for sign because he don talk say na him win. And if he say na him win, then they say then they can investigate. If he say make dem no check, that meaning he don guilty. Na him make so the man sign. Some people then they say why Mother Bill sign. The man get for sign, the man then get for accept because they don't talk say they win the election. It's just about like somebody thief don't happen on side. They ask all man, you say no, me no to me take her. Then they say then they go take looking grandman. Then you come or you say no, may they not go take her. So logical conclusion don't get announced. Say now you take, now you thief. Then go just say, oh man, give you the timbo, go pull the thing. It's simple. So Mother Bill get for sign, thinking say then document and the way then they sign, I just me a document to them. Yes, and that thing will continue with in bribery and corruption trick. You understand? And that doctors some Ernest Koroma he connect with ECOWAS, he go waiting sefa. Then I saw sign document, then sign this. And the case don't go take to the highest decision making body in the world, when a UN Security Council. When I then get the mandate for saying that country will they invade the day for this reason. Because then get a law wey give them permission for do so. When a country they do something where they send threats to international peace, then get the mind for intervene, for interfere into that country dey internal politics. One go say how Salon send threats to international peace. Salon a member to UN, Salon a member to ECOWAS, Salon a member to European Union, a member to African Union. And all of those institutions or organizations, they don't sign say then go continue for advocate and push for democracy. And all of them are democratic member states. You understand? So for let them see the reverse order of democracy principles, it happen at one country, where other country then go copy. This now international threat. You understand? An international threat. Now look, so then get the right for interfere into with politics. Yeah, fine. So wetin I repeat again, I ask, and that's wetin do Mother Bill wey you know say as someone don go sign tripartite, say dem go can do am bad. Not till you go sign. Yes. And by what you talk, you not till you send somebody, then just go sign. You say then they can't do you bad. You understand, eh? They say then they can't catch the thief man. They don't thief now, yeah. You understand? Then they pan talk. They say nobody no agree for answer. All man say wetin get, na him get am. Then they say then they go take the looking grow man for letting can watch who that take the thing. And they say me all man sign. Because they not sign, you say then go can't do bad. Once they say then they go take the looking grow man. Very, very interesting. You know, very, very interesting. This all they tell una say all waiting dey happen so na salon. Unless na you na the author of this political play, this political drama, this political unprecedented situation na salon. Na you na the author of her. Madabio, the love of power na him make himself involved so. But all waiting dey happen, unless na calm he wan come back. All waiting dey happen so, they talk say, he no wan for come back. Na lie. Na lie oh, I swear. Unless dem get this country dey grip am. The man me wan go touch am. You understand? Even the man, the time wey he celebrating your birthday, wey some Madabio, he don spoil the country don now. Shenge don even go na radio, he don go talk say even Jesus na him can do, he no go able to solve salon problem again. Then that time they unless celebrate a birthday and they talk say na then time they are so in company become president. Wey mean say him becoming president, he no rule am out. Yeah. So we get for the sometimes we not just get for the listen sake. We get for be very critical in analyzing certain statements the way somebody they make. This na Iron J. If I talk I reach na yeah, the voice of the commoner and the voice of the vulnerable, una feel free and share. And I go left now with song where we brother Sambawi. And for talk half, you left half.
Provoking, now when clean water go reach out the hills and provinces. We need good health, we just they die. Mosquito fly, but we don't see just they kill we. We need next black out, we fall on the front side. So line for field, sports with every year. Agriculture about overseas, we defend. We the musicians, all time we fetch we step. White tips, black hats, we don't like we step. So talk up, left off. Talk up, left off. But enough of talk up, left off. You get your problem, you say get your own side. Talk up, left off. Talk up, left off. Sister, talk up, left off. You get your problem, you say get your own side. We mind with papa them, now we men with the king.
Talk half, you left half. Yeah? Talk half, you left half. Yeah?